Thinking about switching domains, rebranding, or just starting fresh on Hostgator? You're in exactly the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through changing your primary domain in Hostgator for 2025 step by step in plain English. No fluff, no confusion. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your username and password carefully so you don't run into login issues. After you're logged in, you'll land on your Hostgator dashboard. From here, find and click the tab labeled Websites. This section shows all the hosting details tied to your account. Next, look for the Settings tab and click it. This opens up all the configurable options for your hosted websites. On this page, locate the Manage button. It's important because it unlocks the deeper settings you need. Once you're in the Manage area, switch over to the Domains tab. You'll now see a list of every domain connected to your Hostgator account. Find the domain you want to set as primary. Next to it, click the three-dot menu icon for additional options. From the drop-down, choose Advanced DNS Editor. This is where you can access and update your domain's DNS information. Inside the Advanced DNS Editor, find the domain you're switching to and hit Edit. Here's where you make the magic happen. Update the DNS settings to reflect your new primary domain. Be precise and double-check every field. Incorrect DNS entries can break your site temporarily, and nobody wants that. Once you've entered the correct details, save your changes. The update takes effect after DNS propagation, which can take a bit of time. If it doesn't switch instantly, don't panic. That delay is normal. And that's it. You've successfully changed your primary domain on Hostgator. If you hit a snag at any point, Hostgator's support page is a solid backup. Thanks for watching and sticking with me through the process. If you found this helpful, keep an eye out for more quick, updated hosting and website tips coming your way.